Cloudy cooks bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices, spices. Cloudy cooks.
Hey guys, welcome back to Claudie Cooks channel. Today we are making something incredible, some Chipotle Mango Ribs, a bold Caribbean fusion recipe with smoky Chipotle meats, sweet mango, and warm spices. These are ribs that's sticky, juicy, and packed full of flavor. And the best part, we are doing it without relying on sweet, sugary barbecue sauces. Are you ready for these ribs? Let's get cooking! Woo-hoo! Let's start with our ribs. They've been washed and demembraned already. Time to layer up with some green seasoning, some all-purpose seasoning, some slap your mama, some smoked paprika, salt, black pepper, and we're going in with some aromatics like fennel seeds and garlic. And of course, I miss my turmeric, and we're going in with some lime. So let's get moving. Going in with a little bit of avocado oil or oil of your choice. Now let's build a flavor base before we even hit it with our glaze. 1.5 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. In with about 1.5 teaspoons of slap your mama. Teaspoon each of smoked paprika, turmeric, and some crushed fennel seeds. Look at that beautiful pop of sunshine color. And you know that turmeric is good for you. Now, this beautiful, sweet, earthy, and a hint of licorice type flavor to this that's going to add a distinct flavor profile to this dish. It smells amazing. If you haven't cooked with this or used this in any kind of cooking, give it a try. Taste divine. Oh my God, smell that. Right, and now we're going to sprinkle it over. In with some salt, about 1/2 teaspoon. And the same for black pepper. In with our green seasoning, about 2 teaspoons. And now for our garlic, you can mince these or just grate them in. And now for some lime juice, about 1 tablespoon. This one doesn't have that much juice in it, so I'm using the whole lime for this. Wow, this smells so fresh, citrusy. Time to massage all these beautiful spices and aromatics over these ribs because they are going to bring beautiful, earthy, sweety flavor to balance out our mango glaze. Right, and once you've rubbed it all in, all the spices and flavors, you could set it aside, for half an hour, a couple of hours, but I don't have that time today. So we are going to go straight into the oven at 160 degrees Celsius to slow roast. And then we will finish off under the grill. Look at the flavors on that sticking. You know it's gonna be good, don't you? My ribs did get a good 20 minutes to marinate whilst I was heating up the oven. So now that we're all nicely coated, layering it into the roasting pan. And as you can see, I'm using some baby racks. We're going to roast these for about an hour, 45 minutes or so, or until they're nice and tender. I'm going to put another bit of foil on the top because we want to lock in all that steam. Now we are ready for the oven. Up next is our magic sauce. We're making some chipotle mango glazed with chipotle, lime, garlic, and just a little bit of honey to taste. So let's get moving. Okay, so in here we have a whole mango. I have peeled and cut into dice-sized pieces. These chipotles are in adobo sauce. We're going to go in with about 2 of them. But if you can stand the heat, why not go for more? Up next, 2 cloves of garlic. And we're going in with about a tablespoon of honey. Next up, for some lime. So we're looking for like a sweet, smoky, tangy flavor. We're going to go in with a little bit of extra smokiness from some smoked paprika. It's not obligatory, but I'm just going to pop a bit more because I love the smokiness, and I know I'm layering on smokiness, but I want a bit more of that in there. Now for a splash of water, about 2 tablespoons or thereabouts. Who cares? As long as we've got enough liquid to blend up this baby, that's what we're looking for. Let's blend. Look at this sauce. Beautiful color. It's like a sunset. Let's get that into a pan and let it bubble away for about 8 to 10 minutes. Our sauce is ready, so let's get our ribs out now. Ooh, see me window. Let's get some sauce over these ribs. Right, we're going to brush it on. We're going to pop it in the oven on grill for about 5 minutes on each side, and then we will be ready. Let's hit it up with a bit more of this irresistible sauce. This chili is pretty fire. Hot, hot, hot. All done. Look at that glaze and that chard on there. Beautiful. Right, I'm gonna let these cool down for a moment or so, and then we'll get plating. Let's just take a moment and appreciate these ribs. Look how beautiful and caramelized they're looking. Sweet, tangy, and sticky, just the way we like it. Let's plate up. Going in with some lime. Just pop it right there. A few bits of coriander, just for a pop of color. As you're here with me today, right up until this point, let me know if you're gonna give this a try, and if you do, tag me and let me see what your one looks like. We're going in with some Scotch bonnet pepper, as if we haven't got enough heat. Just going to pop a bit of red flecks around to give that beautiful pop of color and that Caribbean flair to it as well. And there you have it, guys. My Chipotle Mango Ribs that are sweet, smoky, and packed full of bold Caribbean flavors. If you enjoy this recipe, make sure you like, subscribe, drop a comment for more Caribbean fusion recipe. Enjoy. Woo-hoo. Let's do a little taste tester. Really soft and pull away. Look at that. Wow, this is just like I said, tangy, sweet, smoky, and a bit of a kick to this. This is absolutely irresistible and sensational. Try this one. You're going to love it. I have to take another bite. See you in the next video.
Cloudy cooks bring sunshine into your life with some love.